People are making thousands of dollars using these niches, and now you will be able to do it as well. I asked you guys, what topic should I make my next video on? And Zazzle tutorial series got the maximum votes. So I'm going to create a video series on Zazzle, which will help you with your Zazzle and print-on-demand journey. And this is the first video of this series, in which I'm going to show you 5 of the best niches on Zazzle. These are all low competition and profitable niches. And the last one is my favorite as it has extremely low competition, so watch till the end. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's check out our first niche, that is 50th wedding anniversary invitation cards. This is a really great niche as it has low competition, and selling wedding anniversary invitation cards can be lucrative because they cater to a specific and recurring market of couples celebrating their love milestones. You can create it not for only 50th anniversary, but you can go for any number. And as you can see, all the designs are similar, so you can take advantage of this to create unique and interesting designs to win over the competition. You can go for creating different theme designs like floral, or on different colors like pink theme or green theme, and you can also add hobbies to make it more interesting. Also, as you can see, there are many designs with golden foil effect which gives a royal and authentic feel. To make such effect, you can watch my shorts video on how to create golden foil effect in Zazzle editor. And these cards are super easy to make. As you can see here, there's only a few elements. You just need to add important things of an invitation cards like date, venue, etc. And it is also very important to keep your designs customizable. And with that, your designs is ready to make some sales. Now it's time for our next niche, that is baptism invitation cards. Let's check it out. This niche has a large market of families attending this event, so they are always bought in big quantities. And as you can see, all of them are similar to each other. You can be creative to stand out from the rest. You can try themes like boho and minimalist style. Just don't forget to add the traditional touch and elements which symbolizes this event. You can observe other sellers also to know what to add to your product or to get inspiration. Also, as you can see, they are super easy to make. You will only need a few elements, a minimalist or beautiful background, some text with suitable fonts, and you are good to go. Also, again, making it customizable is very important so that people can make some changes accordingly. You can also go for color themes like this one here. It has sage green theme which is looking pretty good. Now let's move forward to our next niche, that is prom invitations. The best thing about this niche is that it has very low competition with only about 1,500 results. You can create them in themes like magical night or party theme, or for any occasion like high school prom night, and for formal prom. You can also be creative and create them in unique styles, like here. This seller made it into a passport, which is very great, as it will attract customers who want to make their prom memorable. Just like this, you can create it in many different themes, like horror, masquerade, party, etc. Now let's move on to our next niche, that is race horse derby party. This niche is pretty good because firstly, it's a niche with surprisingly low competition on platforms like Zazzle, which means you have a fantastic opportunity to carve out your space and dominate the market. The next great thing about derby party niche lies in its audience. Derby enthusiasts are not only passionate about the event, but often belong to a demographic with disposable income to spend on such parties, which means this niche has a high selling potential. And you can create designs for many products under this niche, like plates, cards, posters, cups, wrapping paper, etc. And they are super easy to make, as this product here, it only has one horse element and few texts, which makes it easy to create. And if you know where to find best graphics for your designs, then you can visit Creative Fabrica. Here you can find everything you need to create a best-selling design, from patterns, fonts, graphics, backgrounds, and so much more. And you can use all of their assets at just $1. So you should definitely check it out. The link is in the description. Now let's check out our next and final niche of this video, that is Milestone party posters. I found this niche while finding some good birthday product ideas, and it's quite interesting niche. It has low competition and high potential to sell. This is a birthday theme poster where you can just add babies' milestones until their birthday. And being related to birthday niche, it will have good customer volume without facing the super high competition under birthday niche, which makes it easier to make sales. And as you can see, it only takes few elements. However, these elements should be liked by kids. Like this seller used dinosaurs, which is really popular among kids. You can create them into different themes like space, cars, and everything that is liked by kids. And for different milestone like 50 days or 90 days, observe other sellers before making to know what can you improve and add to win over competition, and you are good to go. So, this sums up this video. Are you going to use any of these niches? Please let me know in the comments section and feel free to give any suggestions. Also, if this video was helpful, then please share this video with your friends and family. It will help me to reach more people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.